Here we have a Nintendo Switch OLED that came in for an LCD FEC connector replacement. I have the board right here. I was not able to test anything on the board because we're not able to get an image onto the screen. Now the FEC connector goes right here. We do have the connector in stock, so let's go ahead and replace it. And hopefully the console will work. Like I said, we could not test anything on the console because of the connector. And if we look at the connector, we see an issue right over here. Look at the golden pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we have one missing right here. The rest, they look good. We do not know what that specific pin does, but it's missing, or broken, or jammed, or shorted out with another pin. The board was mailed over, or the console was mailed over for a connector replacement, and that's what we're going to be doing. Let's go ahead and desolder the connector. We're going to apply genuine Amtech Flux, nice and clean and clear. One of the best flux in the market. You cannot buy genuine Amtech Flux off eBay. You cannot buy it off Amazon. You cannot buy it off AliExpress. You can buy it from us. We are a distributor of the Flux. And if you want genuine Amtech Flux, log into NorthridgeFix.com. Click on shop. You can buy in retail or wholesale, along with everything that you need. Soldering station, hot air station, power supply, voltage injection tool, grinding pen, thermal camera, braid wig, tweezers, everything. We carry all items in stock, and orders almost always ship out same day. We test all our products, so buy with your eyes closed. Right now I'm applying heat from the bottom of the board. Just like that. The connector is out. And I forgot to put my fume extractor on. That's why I'm smelling that smoke. Very bad. You always want to have the fume extractor on, and do not forget it. Now tonight I'm gonna get a call from my mother. She watches the videos only to see if I have the fume extractor on. If I do not, I get in trouble. It does not matter how old I am. I could be 70 years old. She's gonna call and yell at me. Why you do not have the fume extractor on? Are you inhaling the smoke? Nobody cares about you more than your mother. If you are blessed and you have a kid, you will know how it feels to not want harm to come to your kids. We're gonna solder a new connector right here. But before we solder the connector, we need to prep the board. We need to apply leaded solder onto the pads, and then we can reflow that connector down in place. We already have flux, and all we need to do is prep the pads. All right, and we're good. Let's slide that connector in place, just like that, and we have a lot of glare on the board. I do not have my anti-glare light on, but since I do not have 3 hands, just bear with me. Then you just align it, and then we can turn the anti-glare light on. Just like that. You know what, I think we're okay. We do not need the anti-glare light right now because we're gonna reflow from the bottom, and I'm able to see all the pins. right? And we are done. We are done. Let's wait until solder hardens, and we're gonna check on the pins, make sure all the pins are solid, and they should be. Let's go ahead and check right now. Pin number 1 is solid. I'm not gonna say solid for every pin, but if I came across a pin that is not solid, I'll mention it. And every single pin is solid. Wow. And we're gonna check the pins from the back. Maybe we can rotate the board just like that. Solid. Every single pin is solid, 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 solid. Wow. So I'm gonna hand this over to Big Boss, and maybe we can continue the video with the console working. Plug it in. Are we gonna see an image? Yes, right there. The connector is working, and our job is done. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think. Leave it down in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll do something else in the next video.